Good morning, students. How are you? Are you fine? Okay. Today we are going to study chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. In the previous class you studied about the linear equation and how to solve a linear equation. Okay. The general form of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and what's the condition? This a and b are not equal to 0. Okay. Look at this equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 5. It is a linear equation in two variables. The variables are x and y. Okay. Let us substitute x equal 1 and y equal 1. Take the LHS, that is left hand side. LHS implies 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. That is equal 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1, 3 equal 5. That is equal to the right hand side, and left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Therefore, the solution is x equal to 1 and y equal 1. Okay. Then let us substitute x equal 1 and y equal 2 implies the LHS. What about it, LHS? 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. That is equal 2 plus 6 equal 8. That is not equal RHS. Therefore, 1 and 2 not a solution of this equation. The solution of equation is this 1 and 1. X equal 1 and y equal 1. Okay.
Geometrically, get a straight line. Look at this graph. What do you mean? It means that the point 1, 1 lies on the line represent the equation 2x plus 3y equal 5. And the point 1, 7 does not lie on it. So we can conclude every solution of the equation is a point on the line representing it.
These type of equations are called the pair of linear equation. The general form of a pair of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. And the condition is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. And one more condition, a1 square plus b1 square not equal 0, a2 square plus b2 square not equal 0. The general form of a pair of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers, and a1 square plus b1 square not equal 0 and a2 square plus b2 square not equal 0. Clear? Here we want to construct a pair of linear equation in two variables in a same plane or same graph. When we draw two straight lines, what are the possibilities can happen? First one is the two lines will intersect. The two lines will intersect. The two lines will intersect at a particular point. Okay. Then what's the next one? Next possibility? The two lines will not intersect. Okay. That is, will not intersect. They are parallel. And the third one is, the two lines will be coincident. That is, the two lines will be coincident. Represent the same line. Okay. Consider the pair of linear equation y equal 1 by 2x 3x plus 4y equal to 20. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. So, by rearranging this equation, 2y equal to x and x minus 2y equal to 0, we get a new equation number 3, and by representing these two in geometry. Okay, in 9th standard we studied about how to represent the linear equation in graphically. First of all, x minus 2y equal to 0. This is x and y. For easier calculation, x value is, one of the x value is 0, and when we put 0, x is 0, y is also 0, and we can substitute x equal 2. What about x equal 2? X equal 2. 2 minus 2y equals 0. Minus 2y equal to minus 2. Y equal 1. Okay. Then the next equation, 3x plus 4y equal to 20. X equals 0 and y equals 0. What about x equals 0? X equals 0. 4y equal to 20. Y equal 20 by 4 equal 5. The y value is 5. When we put the y value is 0, we can write 3x equal to 20. X equal 20 by 3 equal 6.7. 6.7. Then convert this as graph sheet. X, y, x dash, y dash, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. This is minus 1, minus 2. Here minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first coordinate is 0, 0. Here is 0, 0. And second coordinate is 2, 1. X axis 2 and y axis 1. This is 2, 1. Okay. Join these 2 points. We get a straight line. This equation is x minus 2y equal 0. 0. Okay. Then plotting these points. First point is 0, 5. 0, 5 here. 0, 5 and 6.7, 0. That is 6.7, 6.7, 0. Okay. By joining these 2 points, we get, here the equation of this line is 3x plus 4y equal 20. Okay, here this is an intersecting graph. Okay, the intersecting point is this. Here the points 2, 4. What do you mean? The x value is 2 and y value is 4. So the solution of these two pair of the solution of the pair of linear equation 4. So the solution is x equal to and y equal 4. You can verify substituting here x and y and here an x and y, we get the right hand side. Okay, this is the solution. The graphical representation, the solution is 2 and 4. X equal to y equal 4. It is an intersecting graph. Okay. The second equation is 4x plus 6y equal 18. 2x plus 3y equal 9. For finding the points, write 4x plus 6y equal 18. X, y. For easier calculation, you can use x equal, you can put x equal 0 and y value is 0. Okay, here when we put x equal 0, 6y equal 18. What's the value of y? Y equal 18 by 6 equal 3. Okay, then here y value is 0. 6 into 0, 0. Okay, then 4x equal 18. Okay, 4x equal 18. X equal 18 by 4 equal 4.5. Is it? Okay, then 2x plus 3y equal 9. What about if put x equals 0, substitute the x value 0, this is 0 and 3y equal 9. What about y value? Y value is 3. Okay, then put y value is 0, this term 0. Okay, 2x equal 9, x equal 4.5. Both the points are 0, 3, 0, 3, 4.50, 4.50. Okay, when we plot this as a graph sheet, x coordinate, y coordinate, x dash and y dash and x dash. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Minus 1, minus 2. Here is minus 1, minus 2, etc. Okay. Here 0, 3, 0, 3. Then 4.50, 4.5 here, 4.5, 0, 4.50. Okay, by joining these 2 points, get a straight line. The equation is 4x plus 6y equal 18. The next equation is also same point. So the equation represents the same line. 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Okay, these 2 equations represent the same line. The lines are coincidence. Okay, consider the third example. X plus 2y equal 4. 2x plus 4y equal to 12. Okay. First one, x plus 2y equal 4. This is x and y. Substitute x equal 0, 2y equal 4, y equal 2. Again y value is 0, 2 into 0, 0. That is x equal 4. Okay. Then next equation, 2x plus 4y equal 12. X, y, 0, 0. Here x equals 0, 4y equal 12. What about y? 3. Then y value is 0. 2x equal 12. What about x? 6. Can you plot this? X, y, y dash, x dash 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. Here the first one is 0, 2. 0, 2. The second point 4, 0. 4, 0. Join these 2 points. This equation the line represent x plus 2y equal 4. And next one 0, 3. 0, 3. And 6, 0. Here 6, 0. Okay. The line represent equation 2x plus 4y equal 12. Look at the 2 lines. The 2 lines are parallel. The first case is the 2 lines are intersecting. The second case, the 2 lines are coincident. And the third example represent the 2 lines are parallel. Okay. Okay. The general form of a pair of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. So, we can conclude that a1 by a2 equal, here the coefficient of x is 1, here 3, 1 by 3. And b1 by b2 equal to minus 2 by 4. That is a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. We can conclude a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. The type of graph is intersecting and unique solution. Okay. And unique solution, consistent. The word is consistent. Look at the second example. Here a1 by a2 equal 2 by 4, that is equal 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equal 3 by 6, that is also 1 by 2. Here c1 by c2 equal minus 9 by minus 18. There is also 1 by 2. Here we can conclude a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2. The type of graph is coincident or dependent or infinitely many solution. Okay. Type of graph is coincidence. It has infinitely many solution. Okay. Then the third example. Here a1 by a2 equal 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equal 2 by 4. That is also 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 equal minus 4 by 12. Minus 12. That is not equal 1 by 2. Here we can conclude a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 not equal C1 by C2. The type of graph is parallel, no solution. Okay, type of graph is parallel, there is no solution. Is it clear? The general form of a pair of linear equation in two variable is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. We can conclude, first case, intersecting. The graphs are intersecting. The condition is a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. Okay. Then second case, coincident. The lines are coincidence. The coefficients, what about the relation between the coefficient? When we compare the coefficients, a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2. Okay. Infinitely many solution, consistent and coincident. Okay. Then third one, parallel. The condition, the parallel lines, a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 not equal c1 by c2. The lines are parallel. Comparing the general form, a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 not equal c1 by c2. Okay, is it clear? Can you do some homeworks? Today's homework is page number 49, question number 1, 2 and 3. After writing homework, send me through WhatsApp. Okay, thanks.